you can enjoy flavorful dishes while keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Below are 7 diabetes-friendly meal ideas that are nutritious, satisfying, and easy to prepare. Oatmeal with nuts and berries. Oatmeal is an excellent breakfast choice for people with diabetes as it has a low glycemic index and provides long-lasting energy. To make it more nutritious: 1. Use steel-cut or rolled oats instead of instant oats. 2. Add a handful of nuts, almonds, walnuts, for healthy fats and protein. 3. Include berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, for fiber and antioxidants. 4. Avoid adding sugar. Instead, use cinnamon or vanilla extract for natural sweetness. Grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed vegetables. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Pair it with quinoa, a protein-packed grain, and steamed vegetables for a well-rounded meal. 1. Season the salmon with herbs, garlic, and lemon juice. 2. Cook quinoa in vegetable broth for added flavor. 3. Steam non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, carrots, or bell peppers. Spinach and mushroom omelette with whole-grain toast. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and healthy fats, making them a great choice for a diabetes-friendly breakfast. 1. Sauté spinach and mushrooms in olive oil. 2. Add them to whisked eggs and cook until firm. 3. Serve with a slice of whole-grain toast for fiber. 4. Avoid using processed cheese or high-sodium seasonings. Lentil soup with whole-grain crackers. Lentils are a powerhouse of fiber and protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. This hearty soup is both comforting and nutritious. 1. Cook lentils with onions, tomatoes, garlic, and vegetable broth. 2. Add spices like turmeric and cumin for extra flavor. 3. Serve with whole grain crackers or a small side salad. Grilled chicken salad with avocado and olive oil dressing. A balanced salad can be a perfect lunch or dinner option for diabetes management. 1. Use grilled chicken breast for lean protein. 2. Add leafy greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. 3. Include avocado for healthy fats and fiber. 4. Dress with olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs instead of sugary dressings. Stuffed bell peppers with ground turkey and brown rice. This delicious meal is rich in protein and fiber, helping to keep blood sugar stable. 1. Use lean ground turkey or chicken. 2. Mix with brown rice, black beans, and diced tomatoes. 3. Stuff the mixture into halved bell peppers and bake until tender. 4. Top with a sprinkle of feta or a drizzle of olive oil. Greek yogurt with chia seeds and almond. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in sugar, making it a great snack or dessert option. 1. Choose plain Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. 2. Stir in chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s. 3. Add a handful of almonds or walnuts for crunch and healthy fats. 4. Sweeten naturally with a few fresh berries or a dash of cinnamon. Final thoughts: eating well with diabetes is all about balance and smart choices. These 7 meal ideas provide a mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to help manage blood sugar levels while keeping meals satisfying and delicious. By incorporating these dishes into your routine, you can enjoy a variety of flavors while maintaining good health. Would you like to explore more meal ideas or specific recipes? Let us know.